To add Kudobuzz to your Wix website, you will need to follow a series of simple steps. First, you need to create an account with Kudobuzz and obtain the code snippet that will be used to connect your review platform to your Wix site. Start by logging in to your Kudobuzz account and navigating to the dashboard where you will find the embed code. Copy this code as you will need it later. Next, log into your Wix account and navigate to the editor section of your website. Click on the add icon on the left side of the editor and select more from the options. In the search bar, type HTML and click on the HTML iframe option. This will add an HTML box to your website where you will paste the Kudobuzz code. Click on the HTML box to enter the edit mode and paste the Kudobuzz code you copied earlier. Make sure to delete any existing code in the box before pasting the new code. After pasting the code, click on the Apply button to save the changes. You can then adjust the size and position of the HTML box to fit your website design. To make the Kudobuzz review section visible on your website, you need to publish your changes. Click on the Publish button at the top right corner of the editor. Your Kudobuzz review section should now be live on your website, and customers can start leaving reviews. To manage your reviews and settings, log into your Kudobuzz account and navigate to the dashboard where you can customize your review platform. By following these steps, you can easily add Kudobuzz to your Wix website and start collecting reviews from your customers. This will help you build credibility and increase sales. Remember to regularly monitor and respond to your reviews to ensure the best possible customer experience.